Risey Technology.
Welcome to Risey Technology, your trusted partner in diesel injection testing solutions. As a leading manufacturer of diesel diagnostic equipment, we develop high-precision test benches for injectors and pumps, along with complete testing solutions. Our products include replacement parts, repair tools, and diagnostic accessories, offering a one-stop solution for all your diesel service needs. At Risey, we understand that every business has unique requirements. That's why we offer flexible OEM and ODM solutions, tailoring our products to meet your specific needs. Whether you're looking for branded products or customized solutions, our R&D team is ready to transform your vision into reality. With years of expertise, our products serve customers in over 20 countries. We have strategic offices across multiple continents to ensure prompt local support and service. Our commitment to excellence is reflected in high-quality manufacturing facilities, rigorous quality control systems, comprehensive after-sales support, continuous technical innovation, competitive pricing strategies. Join the growing family of satisfied Risey customers worldwide. Let us be your partner in building a more efficient and profitable diesel repair business. Risey Technology, advancing diesel diagnostic solutions.